Keyword stuffing is awkwardly inserting whatever term you're trying to rank for all over the article, whether it fits there or not. On the technical side of things, keyword stuffing is bad because Google will not rank your site in search results. On the other side of that, you're ruining your user experience. Readability and search intent are extremely important, so you want to be concise and not waste people's time. Let's go over a few things you need to do to keep your work free of keyword stuffing and as clear and rankable as possible. The best way that you can avoid keyword stuffing is to write content that people want to read. If you're doing a roundup of the best pool noodles, you will be using that term organically. Here's an example sentence. The Super Noodle XL is one of the best pool noodles available, only beaten out by the Noodle Extreme. This example includes the search term and reads like something an actual person would say. Plugins like Yoast SEO can help you avoid keyword stuffing as well. One of the things they do is score your key phrase density and key phrase distribution. Key phrase density is simply the number of times in your article that you used your term. Yoast will tell you if you're going overboard, and keep in mind that Yoast is tracking this dynamically through the length of your post. So a 400-word article will get yelled at for having too many keyword uses that would be just fine in a 1200-word post. As you can see in this example, a 600-word post comes in as green at 10 instances of the keyword. In terms of key phrase distribution, Yoast is telling you about keeping your keywords spread out enough that it doesn't become frustrating to read. Readers are looking for information, while search engines are looking for keywords. Semantically though, you want to write for humans, which means spreading your particular key phrase throughout your entire post, which again goes back into writing content that people will want to read. And there you go. That's everything you need to know about keyword stuffing. If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more content. With that said, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.